Hey guys, Brian here with Mustang Ecoboost Garage, and today I'm going to give you a little bit of a peek at what's inside the box. Hey guys, so I was just doing some video editing tonight, and I was going to post another video that was going to be a teaser to kind of give you guys more hints about what's in the box. And all of a sudden, I just finished editing my video, and I get a reply to the earlier post that I made on YouTube, where somebody actually got the answer. So we have a winner. Congratulations, something good is the username. And he replied that he thinks that the answer was wheel spacers, and he said that that's a mod that is on his list as well. That is exactly the right answer. I recently made a purchase of these 25mm wheel spacers from Amazon. I will show them to you guys in an upcoming video, and I will post a link in the description of that video for the wheel spacers that I actually purchased and show you guys what they look like on the vehicle. So congratulations, something good. I'm glad you were able to get the right answer, and send me your information like we talked about, and you will have a brand new hex grill mesh kit to install on your vehicle as you wish. So thanks a lot for playing along with me, guys. I appreciate it. Just wanted to get this out there and let you guys know that we have a winner, so you can stop racking your brains, because something good has already got the answer, and wheel spacers is the correct prize winning answer. So thanks a lot for playing, and Mustang Ecoboost Garage, peace out, fellas.